Hi, this is Shalene from CDOCS. Today's tip of the day is photography. And photography as it relates to your clear aligner submissions. It's essential that when you're not only submitting your case for the very first time, but also when you're doing refinements, whether it's mid-course or if it's going to be at the end of your first iteration of aligners, that type of refinement, all of those need photos. The photos are not just for you and your team to be able to reference on, but it's also for the digital ortho lab to understand what they're looking at in terms of the SDL, as well as what's exactly happening with the clinical scenario. For example, if you had taken the bite of the STL and it showed that the anteriors were actually coupled, when in fact your clinical intraoral photography shows that there is a class 2 discrepancy here where there is no anterior contact and there was in fact excessive overjet. This is exactly how the digital ortho lab will be able to catch that there is this disparity and make sure that they not only set up the case correctly, but then subsequent to that, they're going to end up creating the simulation and the staging that you deserve. Thank you so much. And don't forget, always to strengthen that relationship between the orthodontic and restorative teams, and always refer by the age of 7.